Now we will do Bhujangasana. Why it is called Bhujangasana? Because in this asana your body is shaped like a cobra. It is also called cobra pose. For that, to do this asana, first of all, you need to lie down straight on your stomach. And bring both the hands either side of your chest. Your elbow should be close to your body. As you inhale, start raising the head up to the navel region and make sure your thigh should not be up. And hold in this position for 5 normal breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back and relax.